Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing the DRX 3.2 from Integra. This is a 9-channel receiver. Let me show you what's inside.
So this room is all done?
Inside of the box you have the remote, just like the Anki remotes. You also have the power cable. This is the remote. That's the power cable. And then it comes with AM, FM, as well as an Odyssey setup mic. And then you have the unit itself. Okay, so let me show you guys the back of the unit. You can see it has the analog connections, 2 digital connections, as well as a coax connection. You also have triggers and IR, and then there's a total of 6 HDMIs here on the back. And then you have a main arc out and zone 2, Ethernet and USB, and then this is DHCP 2.2 4K HDR, the most current version, and 2 sub outputs and zone 2, and then your AC. These are Wi-Fi ears. I'll show you the front. Pretty classic Integra front panel. You have all your inputs, which is nice display, as well as your on for your main zone, and then zone 2 and zone 3 controls as well, game input, TV, all of that. I like how there's a bunch of buttons on this, so like say you don't have your remote, you can still operate the system. Okay guys, well this was the unboxing of the Integra DRX 3.2. If you guys would like to purchase this product, we do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. We are a local company here in Frisco, Texas, and would really appreciate your business. You can give us a call, text, or email, and we'd be happy to get you pricing for this unit and get it shipped out immediately. If you guys liked this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.